Okay, so here we are with Claudio. Claudio is part of one of the team member of Precht Studio,
Yeah.
and he had been here also attending our Bamboo course during this last week. And I would like to ask you, Claudio, like what was the process for you to do this beautiful shade, beautiful shelter, mushroom cloud, however we're gonna call it? Like if you could tell us a little bit of the process, like from some sketches, scale models, and finally the result.
Yeah, I mean, we basically start from sketches, but to be honest, it's super hard to actually try to sketch something like this
Yeah.
and then following the shape and everything. So we also use like physical models as just as a reference, and then basically we just start to build. I mean, and all the shape, we couldn't calculate anything before, and also we couldn't draw anything like properly,
Mm.
and we just start to develop
Mm.
everything like okay, these are the column, we
Mm.
might place it here, that might work. Then we make this outer line, we fix it to the columns, and yeah, everything
Yeah.
start to taking shape. And
And how's your experience? Like, I know that you've been working a lot with 3D models and grasshopper and rhinoceros, and like that need or that idea of 3D model everything and make sure that every single detail is there in the 3D model, where we just start building this one with no 3D models at all, no rhinoceros, no grasshopper, nothing.
yeah,
How was that process like? Feel like with not enough tools to design something?
actually it was such an experience. I mean, it's like, okay, totally forget about you learn or
Uh-huh.
the process or the workflow, and yeah, it was more like improvising in the process. But yeah, I mean, it was kind of hard at the beginning, if I'm honest. Also because I mean, you're used to one workflow usually,
Yeah,
like
yeah.
it's from drawings or idea, concept, 3D model, and yeah, this one was completely different. It was like not even from drawings. Like drawings actually explain just what you want to do, but everything is in your hands. Like,
Mm-hmm.
I mean, you right away feel the material, right away you see what actually the material can be used
Yeah.
for. But yeah, I mean, it's hard to explain.
And finally, I would like you to tell us a little bit about your experience here in Bamboo U, like in terms of like all the experience of, I don't know, lunch here, everyone like in a family style table, the accommodations, outdoor showers, plus all the activities, talks, tours, and the rest of the activities that we have. How was that for you?
Everything was, in one word, was amazing.
Mm.
It's a totally different idea that I have in mind when you
Uh-huh.
came here, because you are always are surrounded by nature. You always see bamboo construction, so you can get inspired by basically anything. Yeah, I mean, yeah, everything is like just one long process somehow that allow you to, I don't know, just experience this area or this
Yeah.
workshop. I mean, it's not like, okay, for example, you go to classes and that's it, and then forget about the workshop. No, this one is like from the very beginning when you wake up somehow
Mm-hmm.
with the cocoon,
Uh-huh.
go to take breakfast, everything together, then go to seminar classes, go around, see
Mm-hmm.
projects, see buildings, then again meet together everyone, like to get lunch or snacks,
Uh-huh.
or yeah, even take a shower is like an experience. This is like a open
It is,
showers.
yeah.
Yeah,
It is. Well, thank you very much for joining, Claudio. I hope that you had a nice experience and go back home like happy about being able to build this structure in just about 3 days.
yeah,
And thanks for joining. And I hope that we were able to bring a little bit of joy in terms of how to build with bamboo,
sure.
and that you enjoy it.
Thank you for
Okay.
everything here. I mean, it was an amazing experience.
Thank you very much, Claudia.
Okay.